I have no idea where these bits go. If you want to know how I got in this mess, keep watching. Hi, welcome back to Age's Little Shed Shop. Today I have quite the challenge. I have had an order come in from family to kind of make a dinosaur park, I suppose, of dinosaur puzzles. We are going to go with the Triceratops, the T-Rex, forgot what that was called, Steggy, and a Dippy. And I know it's just not technically a dinosaur, but it was around at the same time as dinosaurs, I suppose. So, and I've got to draw his bum on because, you know, it got cut off in a printer because I printed it too big, but I like printing it too big because this is a big beastie. So we're going to go have the old woolly mammoth as well. The difference between these and the others I've made are all of these, apart from the Triceratops and the T-Rex, they're full. You print them out, that's it. Pieces are pieces. Well, the other three, I've done the pieces. So I've drawn the pieces and I don't know whether they're going to work. You know, yes, you can quite literally just go in, scroll away, scroll out puzzle pieces, which is absolutely fine. But when you're doing it on a thick piece of wood, it's not quite so simple. So I've designed these puzzles, 3 of them, and with any luck, it will work. Also, this one's a pinky red. If it comes out, I can't tell. It's easier for a scroller to see a completely different colour line to a black line. I think red's the best colour for it. It relaxes the eyes when you're actually looking at it to cut out. So if any luck, it will be a lot less stressful on my eyes. So my eyes are terrible as it is, hence I use a big magnifying glass to be able to see what I'm doing anyway. And yeah, so hopefully this will help. Yeah, I kind of hope all the pieces work. But I'm going to be doing this as a big group and I'll show you how it looks at the end. With any luck, it'll all be good. I think what I'm going to do is I might time lapse this or just show you snippets of each one being cut, because you don't want to sit through me cutting out hours of dinosaur puzzles. I don't want to sit through me cutting out hours of dinosaur puzzles, but I'm going to have to sit through hours of cutting out dinosaur puzzles, and then it is going to be days of sanding, and that I can guarantee you, unless of course I can get Mrs Shedshop roped in on it. And I've got a funny feeling she's not going to enjoy that. But there is one advantage that we have now that she's never played with sanding, and that is of course the Dremel. Oh yes, gonna get her using this. I have 2 of them, so she can use one, I can use one, and we can sand away together and hopefully get that bashed out in a lot more time. Let's get cracking. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will always try and reply. If you like this video, give it a like, give it a share, click subscribe and click the notifications, and you'll know when the next lot come out. There's a lot more videos coming out soon and I'll be back talking when it's done. Let's roll music. The old Pritt stick. Oh, I love this stuff. There's a sponsor I could do with. This stuff costs a fortune, the amount I use. And now we're going to Pritt the whole of the taped area because it's all been masked up. So I'm going to tape the taped area, I'm going to glue the taped area and then stick these down on top and then sellotape it. last one, the Triceratops, and that happened. Can you believe it? That ruddy crack right there. I'm gonna have to stick a bit of glue in that, and it won't be CA. It will be wood glue because obviously that's stronger than CA. Yes, it doesn't go off as quick. Pop some in and clamp it, and hopefully that will take care of it. This is for family, so a little bit of squeeze out. Hopefully that's taken care of. Now it's got a boatload of sanding to do on all these others, and then. Five awesome dinosaurs. I say dinosaurs, there is definitely, you've got your Triceratops, your Stegosaurus, your lovable T-Rex there, a little Dippy. I know this is for a girl. She's my cousin's daughter. I was about to say cousin's niece, no that wouldn't be right. I don't even know what that makes her. Second cousin to me? I don't know, not sure. But anyway, she's my cousin's daughter. And it was my uncle that asked me to make these. And he asked for, do we 5 dinosaurs? And I thought, oh, okay, I can do 5 dinosaurs, it's no problem. 5 silhouettes for dinosaurs, and then drawing out pieces to get them to be puzzle pieces. It's actually a big pain in Jacksy. And I thought, do you really want 5 big dinosaurs? I thought, actually, I'll include the mammoth. Because, to be fair, the mammoth was around when all the other dinosaurs were around, right? And everyone loves a mammoth, so that's quite cool. I like these, they've come out absolutely awesome, I must say. Don't do what I did, sanded them, took them all apart, sanded them, idiot. Took me 20 minutes to get all them back together. Come on, this is for a 3-year-old. I'm a 40-something-year-old. What an idiot. Yeah, took me about 20 minutes to get them all back together. What a plank. Well, it's been mighty hot today in the shed shop. That's why I've been sanding outside and in the shed shop and outside, and damn, it's warm. Finally come down to 24 degrees in here, so but yes, that's it. I'm leaving them because I don't know if he wants to paint them with her or not, because I think that's a nice personal touch, as you can paint them, which is a bonus if they're left in this nice raw condition, or of course you can just sand and seal them or lacquer them. But I think, you know, girls like to paint, right? I'm sure they do. I've got a boy and my niece that's close, so I think girls like to paint. We'll see what he says. It was not bad for essentially a day's work. It just gets rather hot in here, so I have to spread it out over a couple. And of course get some help from Mrs Shedshop too. Not sure she enjoyed that. I sand all the time and it's boring on your own. So she came in and she's been pretty good. And you get to sand quicker. Bonus! I'm going to get them packed up and shipped off. Thanks for watching Asian Little Shed Shop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click for notifications, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching.